hear something in these bushes. What can it be? Huh?
Roar! We got something to unbox today. It's a Triceratops.
Whoa. And who do you have with you here today?
Battle Buddha. And I'm doing the Battle Buddha. So when you move this head up, it roars. And if there's something there, there's a QR code. If you pull up, that you can see on the back is on. There's a QR code right here that when you pull up, you can scan it if you have a phone or an iPad. But you got to download this app to do it.
Awesome. So you can get some information on the Triceratops,
yes.
Right? Cool. All right.
Bob, do the honors. Okay.
All right, Bob, you got it here.
Gonna cut the tail. Now we got it open. So now let's put the tail on. Need some help? Let me help. Try. Finally. Got it. So, the Triceratops is unboxed. So this is what the bottom looks like. That's his foot. And this is the bottom. The bottom's not that interesting. So this I think is the QR code. I'm going to pull that out. Yes, it is. So you have to scan this, and then you go on your iPad or phone. You scan it, and after that, you get it on your iPad, and then and then it tells you some information about the Triceratops.
Cool. That's pretty awesome.
Got
All right.
it.
Now let's have some fun with these dinosaurs. What is that called, say?
Excavator.
Excavator.
This is a cool battle with the Dominus Rex versus the T-Rex and the Triceratops. And look, so a lot of these dinosaurs are very, very powerful.
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed watching our videos and continue to watch our videos. And guess what, guys?
Don't forget to roar and subscribe!
No, not roar and subscribe.
Yes,
like and subscribe. SuperBoyz out. Yeah!